Isn't it a grand morning? The world feels fresh, the air is filled with promise, and the sun is shining just for you. There's something magical about the start of a new day, when anything feels possible, and every moment is a chance for a little joy. The sun's up, and it's time to shake off the sleep and start the day right. Let's stretch, take a deep breath, and get ready to fill our morning with color, creativity, and a dash of fun. Breakfast should be the most inventive meal, your launch pad for a day of adventure. It's not just about fueling up, but about sparking your imagination and setting the tone for everything ahead. Why settle for boring toast when you can make breakfast a celebration? Imagine a table bursting with color, flavor, and laughter. Every bite a little party to kick off your day. Today, we're not just eating, we're building a masterpiece. A breakfast that'll make you leap out of bed, eager to see what delicious surprises await. Let's turn the ordinary into the extraordinary, one bite at a time. Grab your apron and mixing bowl, because it's time to get hands-on. The kitchen is your playground, and every ingredient is a new opportunity to create something special. We're about to whip up something so cheerful, even the grumpiest gnome would smile. Let's fill the room with giggles, good smells, and a sense of wonder. Ready for a breakfast that's as fun to make as it is to eat? Let's get cracking and make this morning one to remember. Rainbow pancakes. What are they, and why are people so obsessed with them lately? If you've ever scrolled through breakfast photos online, you've probably seen these eye-catching stacks popping up everywhere. Imagine your classic pancake, but with a magical twist. Each one in the stack is a different, vibrant color, like a rainbow you can actually eat. It's a feast for the eyes and the tummy, a stack of edible happiness that brings smiles to everyone at the table, young or old. Each pancake is a bold color, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, layered together to create a stunning visual treat that's almost too pretty to eat. Stack them up, and you've got a wobbly tower of delight that shouts, "Hooray for today!" It's like having a party on your plate. No special occasion required. The secret, just a bit of food coloring mixed into the batter. Simple, but magical. Anyone can do it, and the results are always show-stopping. Rainbow pancakes turn breakfast into an event, breaking the rules of boring mornings and making even an ordinary day feel special. It's a breakfast everyone will remember, colorful, joyful, and straight out of a dream. With rainbow pancakes, every bite is a celebration of fun and creativity. Now, let's get to the most exciting part. Creating our very own rainbow right in the kitchen. This is where the magic truly begins, and everyone can join in the fun. First, start with a smooth pancake batter. You'll want it a bit thicker than your usual recipe, so it holds its shape, and the colors stay bold and bright. Next, divide the batter evenly into 6 separate bowls. This is where you get to play with color. Add a few drops of food coloring to each bowl. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Stir each bowl thoroughly until the colors are vivid and completely blended. Suddenly, your kitchen feels less like a kitchen and more like an artist's studio, full of creative energy. Heat up your pan over medium heat, add a dab of butter, and pour in one color at a time. Watch as the batter sizzles and transforms into a vibrant pancake. When little bubbles appear on the surface, it's time to flip. Cook each pancake until golden, then stack them up in the order of the rainbow. Start with red at the bottom and finish with purple on top. As you stack, you'll see a colorful tower taking shape, each layer adding to the spectacle. Don't worry if your pancake tower wobbles a little. That's all part of the fun and adventure of making something new. Like any great invention, a bit of patience and a steady hand make it all worthwhile. In the end, you'll have a delicious, dazzling stack that's as fun to look at as it is to eat. Now for the best bit, toppings. A cloud of whipped cream on top makes your stack look like a rainbow in the sky. Drizzle with maple syrup, scatter rainbow sprinkles, and pile on colorful fruit: strawberries, bananas, blueberries, kiwi. Arrange fruit in patterns or let it tumble down the sides. Add a cherry on top or a swirl of chocolate sauce for extra fun. Make it your masterpiece. Decorate with whatever makes you smile. The real magic: making rainbow pancakes together. Get everyone involved. Someone mixes, someone colors, someone flips, and someone decorates. It's a kitchen adventure, with laughter, a bit of mess, and memories in the making. Kids love watching the batter change color and stacking the pancakes high. It's not just about food, it's about teamwork, creativity, and joy. Don't wait for a special occasion. Make any morning extraordinary. Gather your family, turn up the music, and create a breakfast to remember. A smashing, colorful start to the day together.